Hello everyone, this is Carlos, Touch of Glass Painting and Handyman Service, and what I am doing here is skim coating the old horsehair plaster wall. Skim coating is just a real thin layer of compound or whatever you decide you want to use. It's to try to hide some of the imperfections that are on the wall. And unfortunately, this house is about 110 years old, so it has a lot of imperfections. It's going to look nice. If you see my other video on the other bedroom that I was working on, I took the old wood panels off, but unfortunately, the old horsehair plaster was very, very bad. The conditions of it will not hold with what I'm using. It will crumble up within less than a year, and I will be getting a phone call saying, "Hey Carlos, what happened? This is not really working." So we decided to go with new sheetrock. It's already done, tape, mud, the whole 9 yards. It looks absolutely gorgeous. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to skim coat the walls, then I'm going to sand it with a 220 high-speed grit sander. Then I'm going to prime it, then I'm going to paint it. I'm going to paint the heating boards, semi-gloss. This is all one color. We're going to split the ceiling in white, and then we're just going to paint these as the wall colors. So it's going to be very interesting. I want to thank you for watching my videos. You can follow me on Instagram or on YouTube. And if you want to receive your home free estimate for any projects you have at home, again, I don't do plumbing or electrical. You can call me at 401-696-1650. I repeat that as 401-696-1650. I am in Rhode Island. I do not leave Rhode Island. I do not do work anywhere else in any other state except Rhode Island, or if you're on the borderline of Mass, I will come to you. I want to thank you for watching my videos, and until the next one, bye-bye.